In this video, I want to show you how to trace programs in the same way that we did in lecture. So first of all, here's my program. Let me run it for the first time without actually tracing it. So one way to run the program is to go run execute file like that. This is what we got. I can also use Control E like so. You don't see it, but I'm pressing Control E, or on a Mac it would be Command E, in order to run the program. So why would I trace the program? Well, one reason is to see why it is that what I printed is this. So let's trace the program. What I'll do is I'll put in a breakpoint on line 1. A breakpoint means that you stop the execution of the program once you reach the breakpoint. So now I'll try to execute the file like before. But as you see, there's no output. The reason there is no output yet, so this is the output from the last run. Right now there wasn't any output after this. The reason there isn't any output is because nothing got executed here. We are about to execute line 1, where we take 98 and assign it to exam grade. Let's do that. I'll press next like that. And what happened is that 98 got assigned to exam grade. Now, in this instance, exam grade already contained 98 because we already ran the program, so nothing interesting happened. What's going to happen now? Now we're saying if exam grade is equal to 98, do those two things. The reason we know it's those two things is that they're both indented in the same way. So there is a space here and there is the same amount of space here. That means that both of those things are going to get executed if we enter this if block at all. If we don't, then we're going to skip to line 6. Will we enter this if block? Well, in order to know that, we need to know whether this expression is true or not. Exam grade is equal to 98, so we'd expect that this expression would be true. Let's try to evaluate it first. I did it by highlighting this text and pressing Alt-Enter. As you see, this expression does evaluate to true, which means that we expect to now go to line 4 if I press next. Let's try it. We did indeed go to line 4, and now we are about to print I won the bet. Now we will print I am happy. What happened just now? Well, we finished printing this, and since this condition evaluated it true, we didn't even bother to check whether this is true. And we certainly didn't print this because this gets printed if neither this nor this is true. So we jumped right to the next line, line 12. Now we can press continue in order to finish the program. So here it printed this.